Hi, my name is Gabrielle Garner, and I am here from Nashville, Tennessee. I came here specifically for this weekend
with Miller Hodge. I'm Miller Hodge. I am a member here of the REIA group, Real Estate Investment Association group. Now joined and was very excited to find out about this event that they're having. And I tell you, it's really been a rewarding information. We've got in the 2 days that we've been here, we've really enjoyed it. Yesterday we went out on a field trip, and I tell you, we saw the apartment units and was able to see and find out, actually be a part of what transactions, what takes place, how to go about doing it. Very informative, and I tell you what, it's looking forward to the rest of the information that we're going to be able to get.
And I've personally been investing in residential properties, so this is a different ball of wax, and I'm just excited and ready to jump right into it.